The AutoCAD program is a software that is widely used in various fields, but it is mostly used in engineering. Always before starting work in AutoCAD, we must make sure that all these options are selected. That we have a job as easy as possible.